guys, welcome back to my channel. I feel like it's been a hot minute since last time I filmed, and I'm so happy to be back filming for you guys. And as you can tell, I am sporting two different eye looks because, as you can tell by the title, I will be doing two looks in one video. I'm also wearing two different lashes, so if you can tell, I don't know if you can tell from far away, but it's also been a really long time that I played around with lashes, so I just wanted to pop on two different ones. So what I'm doing is I want to start like a little series type thing on my channel where I pick one palette and then I choose one row to do two different eye looks. And I'm doing this because sometimes I feel like we get stuck in a rut, or at least I do, you know, reaching for the same palette, going for the same look over and over and over again. So this is kind of to get my creative juices flowing. And I have seen people do like one palette looks, but they don't restrict themselves to just like one column or one row or any specific colors. They just choose a palette and they're free to use whatever they want. So I'm putting like a little twist on this. So I do want to begin this series by using the Juvia's Place Zulu palette, and I am beginning with the first column, so this one right here. So it consists of the orange, the matte blue, like a turquoisey bluish, I don't know, and a shimmery pink. And again, I do want to complete this palette. The next video that I do on this series, it probably won't be the next video I do because I do have other things I want to film in between, but definitely maybe like once a month. So next month, be expecting this next column, and then after that I will be doing this column. If you guys are interested in doing this type of like series thing with me, please let me know. I'd love to see which palette you choose and what looks you come up with. These two looks that I came up with today are fairly simple, but again, it's just to get my creative juices flowing. Of course, the palette is just for the eyes. The rest of your face, just use your regular products. Absolutely everything that I use in my makeup videos are always listed down below in the description, so make sure to check that out. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this as much as I enjoyed making it for you guys, so let's get to it. this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching. Let me know which of the two looks you guys like the best, and I can't choose. I like both. Again, if you do want to join me on this little like series challenge type of thing, it's not really a challenge, but you are restricted. Well, at least the palette that I chose, I am restricted to just 3 colors to come up with 2 different eye looks. So if you guys decide to do this, you don't have to choose this palette. You choose your palette you want to work with, whether it be a palette you usually don't go for, or maybe your favorite palette. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below if you'd like, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!